So you saw the thumbnail, clicked, and now you are wondering if those red eyes are hiding something? Is this Gecko Venomous? Can you keep one as a pet? And how does it vanish into the jungle? This is the Satanic Leaf-Tailed Gecko, nature's ultimate illusionist, and today we're uncovering its secrets. Its scientific name, Euryplatus fantasticus, perfectly captures its magic. Euryplatus means flat tail in Greek, while fantasticus means imaginary or fantastic, a tribute to its almost mythical appearance. Deep within Madagascar's lush, humid rainforests, this local treasure remains almost invisible. Blending seamlessly into the leaf litter and dense vegetation, it is nearly impossible to spot. Preferring the cool, misty undergrowth of untouched forests, it thrives in an environment rich in towering trees and thick foliage. And of course, there's the leaf-shaped tail, an evolutionary masterpiece that allows it to disappear into the forest like a magician. This elusive gecko comes to life when the sun sets. As a nocturnal hunter, it spends the daylight hours motionless, relying on its near-perfect camouflage to avoid detection. But when darkness falls, it emerges. It's incredibly small, reaching only 2.5 to 3.5 inches in length, including its tail. It's also extremely lightweight, relying on a paper-thin body and leaf-like structure for perfect concealment. The exact population size remains unknown, but scientists believe numbers are declining. Madagascar's rapid deforestation is destroying large portions of its natural habitat, reducing the spaces where this species can thrive. Additionally, while rare in captivity, some individuals are illegally collected for the pet trade. Due to their exceptional camouflage and nocturnal nature, they are difficult to study in the wild, leaving many aspects of their behavior and population status a mystery. Lacking eyelids, it instead has a transparent scale, known as a spectacle, that keeps its eyes moist and protected. Its large, unblinking gaze is perfectly adapted for a nocturnal lifestyle, helping it navigate the darkness and spot insects with precision as it hunts at night. Adding to its advantage, the unique coloration of its eyes enhances its ability to detect movement in the dim rainforest environment, making it even more effective at spotting prey and evading predators. Its vertical pupils further refine its vision, allowing it to judge distances with remarkable accuracy. Its camouflage is one of the most advanced in the animal kingdom. Some individuals even have patterns that resemble leaf veins along their tail, making them look like decaying foliage. By remaining perfectly still and positioning itself among actual leaves, the gecko becomes nearly invisible to predators. If discovered, it can enhance its disguise by flattening its body against tree bark or swaying gently, imitating the motion of a leaf in the wind. When camouflage fails, the gecko has another defensive strategy, a sudden threat display. It will open its mouth wide to reveal a bright red or orange interior, creating a startling contrast meant to intimidate predators. Not surprisingly, it belongs to a group known as leaf-tailed geckos, each uniquely adapted with remarkable camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. The only other creatures that have mastered camouflage this flawlessly are chameleons, leaf frogs, and stick insects. When it comes to diet, this gecko is an ambush predator, waiting patiently for its food to come to it rather than actively chasing down prey. It primarily feeds on moths, crickets, grasshoppers, spiders, and other small invertebrates, using its large, sensitive eyes to detect movement in the darkness. With a swift, precise strike, it captures unsuspecting insects with its sticky tongue, relying on its perfect camouflage to avoid detection by predators while it hunts. Keeping a gecko like this as a pet is a commitment that requires knowledge, care, and a deep appreciation for this incredible species. While they are legal to own in some countries, they remain rare in the pet trade due to their specialized needs and the fact that they thrive best in their natural habitat. These geckos require high humidity levels, carefully regulated temperatures, and an enclosure that closely mimics the dense rainforests of Madagascar. Unlike some other geckos, they aren't meant for handling, as stress can impact their health. When kept responsibly, captive breeding efforts can play a positive role in conservation, helping to educate people and reduce demand for wild-caught individuals. In captivity, their diet closely resembles what they eat in the wild, including live crickets, fruit flies, small roaches, and the occasional small worm as a treat. To keep them healthy and thriving, these insects must be well nourished, providing the essential nutrients this gecko needs. Since they are nocturnal and shy, they prefer to hunt live prey in a dark, humid environment, making proper enclosure conditions crucial to their well-being. So, is it venomous? The answer is no. It's completely harmless to humans. Despite its piercing red eyes, this gecko poses no threat. Instead of venom or aggression, it relies entirely on its incredible camouflage and clever intimidation tactics to stay safe.